Sakichi Toyoda was a man obsessed with machines. He wasn't interested in cars, he was interested in making things better. This led him to invent the Toyota Model G automatic loom. This loom was revolutionary. It could stop itself if a thread broke. This meant fewer errors. It also meant higher quality. The loom was a huge success. It made Sakichi Toyoda a wealthy man. But Sakichi had bigger dreams for his son, Kiichiro. He wanted Kiichiro to build something even more ambitious. He wanted him to build cars. Kiichiro was fascinated by cars. He had traveled to America and Europe. He had seen the potential of the automobile. He knew that cars could change the world. His father's success with the loom gave him the resources to pursue this dream. The stage was set for the Toyota family to leave their mark on a global scale. They would do it not with fabric, but with steel, rubber, and engines. The journey from looms to automobiles was about to begin. Kiichiro Toyoda wasted no time. In 1933, he established an automobile department. This was within his father's successful loom company. He assembled a team of engineers. Their mission was clear: build a Japanese car. The team worked tirelessly. They studied American and European car designs. They learned from the best. In 1935, they completed the Model A1 prototype. It was a significant milestone. It was the first Toyota car. 1 year later, the Model AA entered production. This was Toyota's first production car. It was a testament to Kiichiro's vision. He knew that Japan needed its own car company. He knew that Japan could compete with the world. In 1937, Toyota Motor Company Limited was born. Kiichiro chose Toyota for the company name. It sounded better than Toyota. More importantly, it represented a fresh start. Toyota was ready to take on the world. The early years of Toyota were difficult. The global economy was in turmoil, resources were scarce. Then came World War II. Japan's car industry was forced to shift gears. Toyota had to adapt to survive. Instead of passenger cars, Toyota built trucks. These trucks were for the Japanese military. It wasn't ideal, but it kept the company afloat. It also helped Toyota refine its manufacturing processes. After the war, Japan was in ruins. Toyota faced an immense challenge. The company was on the brink of collapse. Kiichiro refused to give up. He rallied his workforce. He knew that Toyota had a role to play in rebuilding Japan. Kiichiro made a difficult decision. He temporarily halted car production. He needed to restructure the company. He needed to find efficiencies. He knew that Toyota had to change. This period of introspection would lead to one of Toyota's most important innovations. The Toyota Production System, or TPS, was born out of necessity. Toyota was struggling to survive. It needed a way to be more efficient. It needed to eliminate waste. It needed to build better cars, faster. Taiichi Ohno was the architect of TPS. He was a brilliant engineer. He believed in simplicity. He believed in empowering workers. He believed in eliminating anything that didn't add value. TPS is based on two key principles: just-in-time, JIT, and Jidoka. JIT means making only what is needed when it is needed. Jidoka means building quality into the process, not inspecting it in at the end. TPS was a revolution. It transformed Toyota into a lean, mean car-making machine. It became the gold standard for manufacturing. It is still studied and imitated around the world. Section 5, conquering the global stage, the Corolla and international expansion. By the 1960s, Toyota was a dominant force in Japan, but Kiichiro Toyoda had, bigger ambitions. He wanted to take on the world. He wanted to compete with the giants of the American and European car industries. The Toyota Corolla was Kiichiro's weapon of choice. Launched in 1966, the Corolla was small, affordable, and fuel-efficient. It was also incredibly reliable. This was a key differentiator in a market dominated by American gas guzzlers. The Corolla was a global sensation. It quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world. It cemented Toyota's reputation for quality and reliability. It paved the way for Toyota's global expansion. Toyota began building factories outside of Japan. The company formed partnerships with other car makers. Toyota was no longer just a Japanese car company, it was a global automotive powerhouse. Section 6, pioneering sustainability, the rise of hybrid technology. The 1990s brought a new challenge: environmental awareness. People were concerned about climate change. They wanted cleaner cars. Toyota saw an opportunity. The company invested heavily in hybrid technology. In 1997, Toyota launched the Prius. It was the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. The Prius combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor. It was fuel efficient and produced fewer emissions. The Prius was a risk. Hybrid technology was new and unproven, but Toyota believed in it. The company knew that the future of mobility was sustainable. The Prius was a success. It became a symbol of environmental responsibility. It proved that hybrids could be both practical and desirable. It established Toyota as a leader in sustainable mobility. Section 7, electrifying the future: Toyota's EV and hydrogen initiatives. Toyota knows that the automotive industry is changing rapidly. The company is embracing new technologies. Toyota is investing heavily in electric vehicles, or EVs. It is also exploring hydrogen fuel cells. Toyota believes that battery technology is key to the future of EVs. The company is developing new battery technologies. These technologies will make EVs more affordable. They will also give EVs a longer range. Toyota is also a leader in hydrogen fuel cell technology. The Toyota Mirai is a prime example. The Mirai runs on hydrogen. It emits only water vapor. Toyota is committed to a multi-path approach. The company believes that EVs and hydrogen fuel cells will both play a role in the future of mobility. Section 8. Driving, innovation, autonomous systems and connected vehicles. Toyota is not just focused on alternative fuels. The company is also investing in autonomous driving technologies. Toyota is developing self-driving cars. These cars will be safer and more efficient. Toyota has established the Toyota Research Institute, or TRI. TRI is focused on artificial intelligence and robotics. TRI is developing the brains of self-driving cars. Toyota is also a leader in connected vehicle technology. Connected cars can communicate with each other. They can also communicate with infrastructure. This will make driving safer and more efficient. Section 9. A legacy of excellence, shaping the future of mobility. Toyota's journey has been remarkable, from humble beginnings in textiles to global automotive leadership. The company has always been driven by innovation. It has always been committed to quality and efficiency. Toyota is facing the challenges of the 21st century head-on. The company is developing sustainable mobility solutions. It is embracing new technologies. Toyota is shaping the future of mobility. Toyota's story is an inspiration. It is a story about the power of innovation. It is a story about the importance of sustainability. It is a story about the future of mobility.